Hello lovely people, I welcome you to my channel. In this video we shall be making banku with a twist. Let's get started. In here we have our homemade corn dough and some cassava flour in this bowl. So instead of using cassava dough, we shall be making use of the flour. We shall begin by transferring some of the fermented corn dough into the pot. We already have a little amount of water inside the pot, so we'll mash everything to form a fine paste. Then we'll add water to get the consistency we want. Afterwards, we'll add some of the cassava flour and then we'll mix everything together. We'll mash it until there are no lumps. Then we'll adjust the water and add salt to taste. The quantity of cassava flour or kokonte depends on you. If you want a very starchy banku, you can add more of the cassava flour, but if you want it less starchy, then you add less of the cassava flour. So in case you want to make banku and you don't have cassava dough, you can actually make use of the flour and the banku will come out beautifully. If you have watched to this point and you haven't subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button and also like the video. Thank you very much. Our fire is ready, so we've already placed our pot on it, and then we are going to stir this gradually and continuously until it begins to thicken. Our banku is beginning to thicken, so we are going to use this iron rod to hold the pot so that it will be easier for us to stir the banku at this point, and so that our banku will not form lumps. Our banku has now thickened, so we need to stir it in this manner to make sure we come out with a perfect banku with no lumps in it. The banku is a bit thick, so we are going to add some water to it and cover it for some time, and then we'll continue to stir. At this point, we are checking to see if the banku is ready, and as we can see, it is ready because it is not sticky to our fingers. So go ahead and serve. So here we have our banku. It looks so lovely. We shall be enjoying this with some okra stew. We have this okra stew recipe on this channel, so you can check it out. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. See you.